So here it is, everybody. The Sprinter van. The one I went cross country for. This is it. No motor. There's my girl. Taking off the stickers that I got while I was traveling cross country. I want to keep those stickers. But there's the van. No wheel. All the work I did to it for none. Swivel seat. Chair. Oh, it's a heartbreaking day. It's probably be the last day I come and see my van. Getting everything, absolutely everything out of it. Very, very sad day. Look at this. A hole in the heart of the van. All the work I did. Air conditioner. My $400 fan. All gone. This is actually was in here new. This is what they're planning on doing. It's cutting the old piece out and putting this new piece in. But now from what I'm told, the Mercedes, they don't even know if they're going to do that anymore. Sad day.